I don't know what to talk about tonight, but since I'm trying to show you what you will encounter building a YouTube audience, I decided to talk about the problem I'm having deciding what to talk about each night. This is the second time I have had this problem not being able to come up with something interesting to talk about, and that is a problem probably many people are going to have starting a YouTube audience. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do about it. I'm putting a video out every day, and I may have to stop putting a video out every day. It may be a little early to ask you this because I don't have a lot of viewers and only have 2 subscribers. But if you'd be kind enough to let me know what you would be interested in, it would help me out a lot. That doesn't mean I will be able to do what you recommend because it may be something I don't know a thing in the world about. Anyway, you are seeing firsthand one of the problems you're going to run into trying to build a YouTube audience. I might try and do a few videos on the same day if that's possible, or at least write the script out because some days you're just a little more creative than other days. If you run into the same problem that I'm having, just try and come up with a way to get around it. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I hope some of you will be kind enough to send a few comments my way. If you can think of some things that might help me with my content problem, I would really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. See you soon, and please like and subscribe.